So almost no prep veneer. It's really lack of room. For between the teeth. So goal is achieving 1M2 and 1M1. Decide to go to A1 with a minimum, very minimum build up in between tools. Here's a 3-unit zirconia cases. Apply with the dentine because there's no retention, so I have to fill in interproximal contact in between and then stick together. I just check the light. Here. So it will be about 1.5 millimeter. I would say 1 millimeter incisor. Apply. Here two. It's one single, and then here's another temporary implant cases. From STL5. Okay, so now it's ready to build up. Make the good tooth contour, just like lower teeth. Okay. Need a good embrasure here. Some areas lack of room, some area has a room. But trying to make the good, make it looks like good teeth. Yeah. So if I'm busy, I have to concentrate on other thing. Then just apply the dentine first. If I have a time and I can concentrate it, then I can build up with the enamel on top of that, so which is the enamel booster. I'm going to use it. See the color? I trying to make the good design build up stage, then I don't have any much problem whenever I finalize it, the final contour. Okay, here's lack of room. Here's the veneers. See, kind of a little bit shaking due to lack of retention because of the prep. Okay, this is almost minimum prep veneer. Okay, look at this linger. Okay, so that was area. Gonna apply just a little bit dentine too. Same as here. See the regulation between the tools. Add it up. dentin over here. Same thing here. Right here too. Okay. Now, so there one approximately the occlusion contact I would like to achieving with the final incision height. Okay, so here's this a little higher to get the canine rise. Also head with the medial lobe direction. It's good. Here too. This is the final height. Okay, same thing. This canine I have to apply with the incision length. Okay. Now I'm trying to cut it and then make the first fire. Okay, same thing, using the setup, make the good incision edge. Good incision edge. Here's a canine. See the contour? So I'm going to open this in a way. Okay. A little bit down. Nice. Here's a little bit more. Same as this. Same as here. Same as this. Here, finalizing. Now done. So after this, just make sure incision height. Size wise, everything, and cut it. Yes. Here. Same. This. 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 Now take it out and put it in the contact as little as possible. Maybe not. Okay, so first time bake with the body and incision, and and then I just put into the model directly. So I did not cut anything about the interproximal contact. Now I finalize it, the correct contour with the very minimum interproximal contact, which is I save tons of time in order to finish this no prep veneers. So almost foundation is there. Just add with the enamel 59. Certain area has is good translucency, but certain area don't. Just mask it. Okay, so just add here a little bit the distal corner of number 23. Then move on to the other side. See, this first bag is really good. Overlay with the enamel finally. So my goal is trying to match the good alignment between teeth as natural as possible. See, just a little bit added. I just need a little bit more denting here. Okay. Like this. Okay, now the distal. This canine looks good. See? It's a little bit fat, but I can trim it. Add a little bit more here. Add a little bit more here. Add a little bit, and that's about it. Then we can cut it again. Then finish them up. Okay, so finish this 6-unit Lisi Cosmic Press, and then with the Gen enamel, which is zirconia. This is occlusion view. And as you can see, this is a full mouth cases. We set up the occlusion concept. The posing is we're going to wind it, and we compare to the regular pin model, which is from physical impression. Anyway, that one is the 6-unit restorations from build up to final. Thanks for watching.